This exceptionally spacious home in the '05 is ready to meet its next owner. Entering this charmer through the foyer entry, two large living spaces await. The first living space has a beautiful brick, wood-burning fireplace offering a cozy environment to curl up on the couch and relax. The formal dining room has a corner built-in china cabinet for displaying your favorite glassware while you enjoy dinner with family and friends. The eat-in kitchen is furnished with white cabinets and countertops, giving the space a fresh, clean look. Upstairs you'll find two bedrooms, both with original hardwood floors, and a spacious full bathroom with a laundry chute. The primary bedroom is generous in size and is complete with an oversized closet to hold all your belongings. The open basement is multifunctional and has been recently painted. Now let's talk about the location of this home. It's situated at the end of Penn Avenue on a 0.23-acre lot with a semi-private backyard. This home has a quaint side street feel while being within walking distance to restaurants, bars, shops, and downtown. The detached garage and long gravel driveway allow for an abundance of storage and ample parking space. The backyard features a rain garden fully planted with all native perennials that are absolutely gorgeous when they bloom. The charm of this home is easy to recognize, so come and see it today. Give Dana Myers-Botteren a call before this amazing property slips away.